Okay guys, welcome back to the next video. Now this video is quite important. We're going to be looking at products and I'm going to show you how we can find products, especially digital products. That's what we're going to be selling. And I'm going to show you where we can get these products and how we can set it all up. Now the first place you can come is a place called clickbank.com. Now ClickBank has been around for years. I've made lots of money with ClickBank and you will as well. They sell hundreds if not thousands of digital products out there and they get new products pretty much all the time. So this is a good resource what we can use. To sign up with ClickBank is very simple. You just click on this big blue button where it says create an account. And basically what you got to do is just fill out the general information. It's just personal stuff, you know, like name, email and all that stuff. Then you will go to the banking information. Make sure you put your right banking information in because that's how you're going to get paid. And just complete the process, go to your email address and confirm it all and get it sorted. And once you've done, I want you to come back to clickbank.com and we're going to log into ClickBank. Just like so. I'm just going to log in like this and I'm going to show you a little bit around ClickBank. So this is ClickBank. Now the first thing you're going to see is this. Basically this is called the home page and this is where you see all your sales come in and all that good stuff, right? So this is quite an important page and you will see it every time you log into ClickBank. But for this purpose of this video, what we need to do to find a product is go into something called the marketplace. Now the marketplace is where there's going to be all the products we can choose from. So if you look at the top here, it says marketplace. Just click on that. You can look down the side here where it says categories and you got thousands of categories. Okay, well probably not thousands, but you got a lot. Okay, you got as seen on TV, all that as seen on TV stuff here. So you got backyard living and all that good stuff, right? So we got subcategories, so that's good. Now to pick a product, okay, I want you guys to really come in here and focus what you want to promote because they've got hundreds of products. Okay, they've got all the making money online stuff, they got the fitness stuff, you know, they got green products, health and fitness, home and garden. So let's have a look at home and garden, like for instance animal care. Okay, so we look at animal care. Okay, so you got Doggy Dan's online dog training. So this is a dog training video, so it's teaching your dog how to, you know, sit down, behave properly, that sort of good stuff, right? Now, I recommend we pick a product. If I just go back to the next page, I recommend you pick a product what you really want to promote. Make sure it's a product you're happy with. That's the main thing, because if you're not that motivated in promoting it, you're probably not going to make that much money, right? But what I mean by that is, like, a lot of people, they come in here straight away and they will go into like making money online stuff, okay, and they will start promoting like making money online stuff. That's good, okay, you can do that, no problem at all. But you got to remember, with the make money online market and that weight loss market, them two markets, there's probably a few more as well, they're going to be very, very overcrowded. You're going to make money, and now competition is good. Don't be scared of competition. But this is what I recommend you guys do when you first come into ClickBank. I recommend that you choose a category what's not a big main category. So for instance, this is what I mean. So say I wanted to come in here and for instance, I want to make money online stuff, okay? And I recommend that you pick a subcategory. So it can be like email marketing, for instance. You can promote stuff with email marketing. Now I'm going to show you what you need to look out for as well with the products. Normally I promote, personally myself, I promote the top, you know, 10 products in the top of the list. So when I come into a category, I look at the top 10 products to see how they are, and you can tell if it's a good product and if it's selling, right? Because if you look at something here, it says graph. Now graph means how many sales they're making per week, right? So if I look at this one, huge launch, okay, this is Anik Segal, famous internet marketer guy he is. So he's making 82 sales a week, right? Now that's a lot of money that he's making, a lot of money. Now like I said, if you go for 82 sales a week, gravity is going to be more competitive, so you've got to remember that. Now what I recommend for you guys to do is come down, have a little look. Now, I wouldn't touch anything with the gravity says 5, okay? Now, 5 gravity is a little bit too low. I would say the minimum you go on gravity is 10, right? Let's see. So like this one, this is 11 gravity, okay? So they're making 11 sales per week. It's pretty good, okay? Guaranteed solo ad traffic. So that's not a bad product to promote, if I say so myself. It's only $8 though. That's what you got to remember. It's only $8. But you can make $8 sales. It's not too bad. So that's what you want to look out for. Like this one here, this is 16 gravity. So that's pretty good, but it's in Spanish. So if you can speak Spanish, that's fine. So I want you guys to come in here and just look around the categories. Because when I put these type of videos out, the first thing people do, they watch this video and, you know, they see what product I picked. Say for instance, I come in here and I'm showing you guys what product to pick, okay? And I'm like, okay, let's go into, business. Let's come into e-marketing and I'm going to pick, for instance, affiliate marketing, and I'm going to pick this one, CB traffic, okay? Now, a lot of people will be like, okay, I'm going to do CB income as well. But you got to remember, okay, a lot of people is going to watch this video, what you're watching now, and if you guys are all promoting the same product, okay, it's going to be very difficult to make money because you're all going to be in the same categories, promoting the same product, doing the same technique, and you're just going to be fighting against each other. So don't copy the same product that I pick or anything like that. So have a look around ClickBank and make sure it's a good product, right? So say for instance, I was going to come in here and I was going to pick a product. I wouldn't necessarily go for the make money online because, like I said, it is overcrowded. I would come in here and I would do stuff like maybe self-help, you know. Let's have a look in self-help. What we got? We got marriages, relationships, survival. Oh, I like survival stuff, you know. So let's have a look at the survival product. So look at the survival product. They got good gravity. It's over 100 gravity. So they're making a lot of money on this survival product, right? Let's just have a little look down below to see what these ones. Okay, so this product looks very nice. New VSL, so that's good to see. So I'm going to click on the product. Let me just have a little look on this product page. Got to let the page load to see what the page looks like. Okay.
Next time you see.
Okay. So we got a video sales letter. Looks quite nice. So this product interests me because I love all that survival stuff. Stay on this page. Let's see what we get if we stay on this page. Okay, so they got a lot of these stays on page. So it's not bad. They got quite a good capture system to capture people. So that's really good. Let me just get out of that. Okay, so I would be interested myself to promoting that the lost ways. Okay, so now if I wanted to promote this, it's very simple to promote. You just press this button here and you can see your username in here. It says account username. You just press create, and basically what that does is create your link, your affiliate link. Now your affiliate link is something where you get paid through. So every time someone clicks on this link and they buy, you will make money. Now let's just click on this a minute.
Next time.
Just pause that. So as you can see, if you look at the top here, you can see the URL and then all this jibbly jubes. Okay, and then it says here, this is the important bit where it says hop equals Daniel CH1. That is my affiliate link. So if you come along here now and buy this through this link saying that, I will get paid, right? But let's just scroll down a minute. Okay, because I want to show you guys how to find it, because not every link will have this here. Some of the links will look like this, okay? It will just be that, the URL. It won't have your affiliate link, and a lot of new people get scared by that because they're like, I'm not going to get paid for it. But I want to show you, if you come across this, go down to where it says add to cart. Click on the add to cart button, okay? Now this will take you to the order page for ClickBank. Now go to the bottom, and if you see at the bottom it says affiliate equals Daniel CH1. Okay, so make sure that is there all the time you promote a product. Come into the shopping cart and make sure that your affiliate stamp is there. Okay, because that means you're guaranteed to get paid for it. So let's just go back a minute. So yeah, the rule of method is I want you guys, okay, to come into ClickBank. I want you to find a product. I want the gravity, you know, don't go below 10 gravity. And we're looking at this little thing here where it says graph, okay? We're looking at graph. So don't go below 10. Stay above 10. And I wouldn't go above, I don't know, 100. Okay, now if you promote a product what's at 100, it's going to be a little bit more competitive, okay? So you got to remember that. Now, if you're new and you've never promoted anything in your life, try and aim for a gravity around 50 to maybe 60 gravity, okay? Just make sure that's there. And what we're going to do in the next video, we're going to follow up with the product as well. But I just want to show you somewhere else where we can look for products as well, because you don't have to just come to clickbank.com, because everyone comes to ClickBank to promote products, right? You can come to Udemy and promote products on Udemy. So for instance, you can promote this course if you wanted to, you know. It gets sales because you bought it yourself, right? So you know it's getting sales. So you can come to Udemy and just scroll to the bottom of Udemy and it will say affiliates. Click on affiliates. Now you can just join their affiliate program and you can start promoting the courses on Udemy and taking a cut of the course. Bear that in mind as well. I recommend that you set two up, one with Udemy, okay, and one with ClickBank, just to get things running, okay, and see which one works out for you better. But just remember, the rule of thumb is don't go below 10 gravity and don't go over 100. Try to stick around the 80 to even 50. Now this one's 127 gravity. It's quite a lot of gravity, so I could probably even come down and find a less gravity one if I wanted to find a better product like with less gravity. So guys, I want you to, in this video, okay, go and pick a product, because we will need a product in the next couple of videos, and especially the next video, because I will show you why in the next video. So make sure you come in here and pick a product. Pick one from ClickBank and one from Udemy, okay, and just decide which one you want to work with first. And yeah, that's it, and we will go on to the next step and I'll show you what that is in the next video. So take massive action and I will see you then.